out of the women benefiting from the empowerment were from Akwa-ukwu, 5 from Oba, and the other 5 from Ojoto community. Speaking during the campaign rally, Senator Umeh, who is the APGA candidate for Anambra Central Senatorial District in the forthcoming general election, enumerated his landmark achievements within 1 year as a senator.
Even as a senator, I am there for the people. Even because of my senator, 10 months now, as possible motions address the problem in the Bani and Nigeria. As possible bill, a tier university in Anambra State, Federal University of Education and Training. Over in Nigeria, nobody will give a young people more ado. I'm a mere basic. Over them at the same level. Offline walk, Marabatan Mayor, as a little Ladroma, Capusia, Katin Bonimia, EFCC. Oh, 1 million. Now, we don't have one, and I've always young man. Abuja, and I can't talk, no damn Magado. Damn, never. I am a
On their part, the President General, Akwa-ukwu Town Union, Mr. Uchenna Anayo, that of Oba, Mr. Mike Nwachukwu, and their Ojoto counterpart, Dr. Edwin Umeh, commended Senator Umeh for a job well done within his short stay at the Senate. Contributing, the Demli South Local Government APGA Chairman, Honorable Felix Obonadike, and the APGA Chieftain, Chief Dan Ogbuefi, called on the people of Anambra Central to come out in their numbers to elect APGA candidates at all levels to protect their votes, as this will attract more development projects and government's attention to Anambra Central Senatorial Zone.
Umeh is a symbol of Igbo identity in the Senate. He's somebody that's capable of representing the Igbo people. Governor Willie Obiano and Umeh is a special gift God has given to us. So I'm calling on all Anambrans and Igbos to vote en masse all the APGA candidates. If power will shift to the Igbos, I see Umeh and the long camp as one of the attributes that will make power shift to the Igbo people.
Among those present at the rally were the APGA candidates for Idemili North and South Federal Constituency, Honorable Ifeanyi Ibezim, and member representing Idemili South in the State House of Assembly, and the APGA candidate for the constituency, Barrister Chuka Ezemune. Senator Umeh later paid a caustic call on the palace of Eze-Okpoko of Oba, where the regent of Oba, Prince Noel Ezenwa, gave them a warm welcome and prayed for the candidates to have a smooth and successful election. From Ojoto, in the Idemili South Local Government Area, Valentine Mbadowa reporting for ABS News.